Jacob, are you ready to do this all by yourself?
Yes.
Is this Olympics?
Yes.
Oh no, go ahead and draw. Too crazy, huh?
To see that?
Yeah, I think so. Good boy, good boy. What a nice doggy. I'm watching. Stay to the left so you don't slip outside of it.
It's Olympics, Dad.
I think you have to kind of jump and go. Kind of jump off the grass. Even harder. Jump higher. Yeah. You can do it. Oh no. I'll help. How are you doing it?
Oh no, oh no! Oh no! The whole thing fell that way.
Oh well. Okay, let's try again. Oh yeah, Velcro it.
Velcros. Go like that.
Got it?
Ready.
Okay, this time I'll hold on a little bit.
Let me see how it really works. Ready?
Like a boat.
It's a little boat.